Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. The wait is over and Apple has just unveiled their latest iPhone lineup on September 9th, 2024. Let's dive into all the exciting details about the new iPhone models, their specifications and pricing. New iPhone models. Apple has introduced three new iPhone models this year: the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Pro, and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's start with the standard iPhone 16. iPhone 16 specifications slide. The iPhone 16 features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR display with a resolution of 2532 by x 1170 pixels. It's powered by the new A18 Bionic chip, which promises a significant boost in performance and efficiency. You'll find a dual camera system on the back, a 48-megapixel main sensor, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Battery life is impressive, with up to 20 hours of video playback. iPhone 16 Pro specifications slide. Moving on to the iPhone 16 Pro, it's equipped with a 6.3-inch ProMotion display featuring Pro RAW technology and a resolution of 2778 by 1284 pixels. It also sports the A18 Bionic chip, but with enhanced GPU capabilities for better graphics performance. The Pro model boasts a triple camera setup, a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 3 times optical zoom. The battery life extends to 22 hours of video playback. iPhone 16 Pro Max specifications slide. Finally, the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This flagship model features a stunning 6.9-inch ProMotion display with a resolution of 2796 by 1290 pixels. It shares the same A18 Bionic chip and camera setup as the iPhone 16 Pro, but with a larger battery that offers up to 25 hours of video playback. The Pro Max also introduces Apple's new ultra-wideband, UWB 2.0, for enhanced spatial awareness and connectivity. Pricing. As for pricing, here's what you can expect. iPhone 16 starts at $999. iPhone 16 Pro begins at $1,299. 16 Pro Max starts at $1,499. All three models will be available for pre-order starting September 13th, 2024, and will hit the stores on September 20th, 2024. You can find them at Apple stores, online, and through authorized retailers. That's all for today's rundown of the new iPhone launch. Are you excited about the new features and upgrades? Let me know in the comments below which model you're planning to get. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.